All right, boys and girls, we're going to do this part, the key details, main idea and key details from the Scholastic News of Are These Seeds Bad? So for detail 1, a coconut is what? Well, it says in the directions that we need to look back at our Scholastic News to find the answer. So if we look back, it says coconut seed. So a coconut is actually just a big seed. It's one of the biggest in the world. So a coconut is a big seed. It is one of the biggest in the world. Now we need to talk about the burdock seed. For detail 2, a burdock seed is, this seed is spiky. A funny thing happens if an animal bumps into it. So it's a spiky seed, right? A burdock seed is a spiky seed. The spike sticks to the animal's fur. So it sticks to animal's fur. Sticks to animals, don't forget the apostrophe, fur. The next one we have is a dandelion seed. What is a dandelion seed? A dandelion seed is light and fluffy. It can float in the air. So a dandelion seed is light and fluffy. It can float in the air. All right, and our last one here is a sunflower seed. So let's look at a sunflower seed. This seed is yummy. It has a hard outer shell. You can crack it open to get the soft seed inside. So here we need to write what a sunflower seed is and another fact about it. I'm going to let you do this one on your own and then be ready for your next page, okay? Good job.